In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chatbot to a Leadpages landing page. Let's dive right in and get your landing page more interactive and user-friendly. First, you'll need to choose a chatbot platform. This could be something like Zapier, Common Ninja, or BotPress, which are popular for their no-code builders. These platforms allow you to create and customize your chatbot without the need for complex coding skills. By selecting a platform that suits your needs, you'll be setting the foundation for your chatbot's functionality and appearance. Once you've chosen your platform, the next step is to design and configure your chatbot within it. This involves defining the purpose of the chatbot. Is it to answer FAQs, capture leads, or perhaps guide users through a sales funnel? Additionally, you should decide how it will appear to users. Take your time to explore the customization options available to make sure it aligns with your brand's style and objectives. After finalizing the design, head over to your chatbot's dashboard and locate the Share or Embed section. This is a crucial step, as you'll find the code needed to integrate the chatbot onto your page here. Typically, you'll encounter an iframe or script version of the embed code, both of which work just fine for integration purposes. Now, simply copy the code provided by your chosen chatbot platform. Be precise when copying to ensure no errors occur during the embedding process. With the embed code ready, open your web browser and search for Leadpages. Click on the appropriate link to access the platform. Once you're in, navigate to the landing page you wish to edit by opening it in the Leadpages editor. In the editor, you'll need to access the widget menu. You can do this by clicking on Widgets, which will display a variety of options available for your landing page. To embed your chatbot, you'll use an HTML widget. Drag this HTML widget onto your landing page at the desired location. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. You might have to click Show More to reveal additional options. With the widget in place, select it on your landing page. You'll then see an option labeled Edit. Clicking this button will open the widget's options menu, enabling you to customize the widget itself. Here's where your embed code comes into play. Paste the previously copied code from your chatbot platform into the HTML window. Ensure everything looks good and is correctly pasted before moving on. Once satisfied, make sure to save the changes in the HTML window. This step is crucial to not losing any of your configurations. Finally, publish or update your Leadpages landing page. This action makes the changes live and allows your new chatbot to interact with visitors on your page. And there you have it. You've successfully added a chatbot to your Leadpages landing page, enhancing user interaction and elevating the page's functionality.